Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panchaport, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste Divine Souls, this is Alpa, Youth in Punch Portal program for the period of 13 January to 19 January 2025. Let us see what the board has to say regarding health. This season offers a wonderful opportunity to nurture both your physical and mental health. While winter in full swing, it's a great time to focus on staying active and maintaining a balanced diet. Incorporate various exercises into a routine and prioritize nutritious foods, especially leafy green vegetables. Enhance your diet with healthy beverages like amla juice or ABC juice to boost your immunity. For mental well-being, remember that a healthy mind thrives in a healthy body. Engage in mindfulness practices, play stimulating games, or try exercises that enhance your mental clarity. Winter is also a time when emotional well-being becomes important. So, take moments to connect with loved ones. Enjoy a cozy coffee date with your partner or plan a refreshing vacation. It's also a great time to nurture your professional relationships. Strengthen your connection with clients and business associates, as fostering these commercial ties can lead to long-term success and collaborations. Additionally, spend quality time with your children by sharing stories or engaging in fun activities together. This season provides the perfect opportunity to strengthen family bonds, while also dedicating time to self-care and relaxation. Thank you. Have a healthy week ahead.
Namaste. Hi, and welcome to our January Punch Portal series. My name is Karishma, and I'm going to talk about relationship for this week, which is from 13th to 19th Jan. This year, don't worry about what's not good or imperfect. Just accept your work, family, or life as a canvas where even if you make a mistake, you have the wisdom to rectify it and make a masterpiece with it. Let's talk about your relationships. We all know the law of karma that says, what you sow, so shall you reap. This means that in your relationship, sow respect, patience, empathy, and understanding, as this will give you the desired, healthy, and loving relationships and positivity around you. The key to healthy relationship is communication. So, communicate clearly but constructively. Do not overcommit or procrastinate, as this will hinder or strain your relationships. Spend quality time with your family, friends, and partners. Set healthy boundaries, as this will lead to good rapport and balanced relationships. In case of any misunderstandings, try and resolve them as quickly as possible. We all make mistakes. The real learning is accepting it, changing ourselves for our growth. When we stop blaming, we start to communicate with our inner self. When you have a strong clarity about your strengths and weaknesses, that is when you will be able to maintain healthy relationships, because you are now able to forgive and let go. Take care.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshapat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Namaste. A warm welcome to all beautiful people to another episode of Punch Portal. I'm Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing for you the cosmic guidance from the Mokshpata board for the week of 13th January to 19th January 2025 in regard to spirituality. The board guides us to explore different spiritual practices and beliefs with an open mind. We can even seek guidance from spiritual leaders who are grounded in reality and can also connect with others on a deeper level while engaging in community service. If you're feeling uncertainty or feel you're lagging behind in your spiritual endeavors, it is time to accept that spirituality is a lifelong journey and cannot be achieved in unrealistic time frame, and there is need to discern between fantasy and reality through self-reflection on a daily basis. The board guides us towards charitable acts and kindness for spiritual growth. We should also be charitable towards our own self and not indulge in self-criticism. The board cautions against feeling of disconnection from self or higher power, or even resistance to spiritual practices or compassion and gratitude. For that, you can practice self-reflection and journaling and follow the path that resonates with you while reflecting on personal values and beliefs to deepen spiritual connection. You can even explore different spiritual traditions to find out what resonates with you. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
Namaste, this is Shilpa Shah and I am honored to present the guidance for the second week of January 2025 with respect to business and profession. The guidance from the board is austerity. The board is emphasizing on simplicity, discipline and avoidance of excess when applied to business and profession. This approach can truly transform the way we operate. Businesses can embrace resilience by focusing on efficient resources management, minimizing waste and prioritizing sustainable growth over flashy expansions. By concentrating on essential expenses and avoiding unnecessary extravagance, companies can improve profitability even in tough times and lay a strong foundation for future growth. In the sphere of profession, the board is encouraging individuals to adapt disciplined and ethical practices. The guidance for this week emphasizes the importance of working with focus, maintaining integrity and manage resources wisely. By doing more with less, professionals can ensure long-term success while also fostering a sense of balance and responsibility, often in response to challenging situations. Simplicity and discipline yields the most positive results. It teaches us resilience, resourcefulness and ability to thrive within our means. Let us approach this week with modesty, ensuring that our efforts not only bring success to ourselves but also contributes to larger good. That is all for now. Stay healthy, stay focused. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ मीनू, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी. I am an energy therapist and a divination expert. Today I am going to give you the guidance for January 2nd week, which is January 13th to January 19th for the finances according to Mokshpata board. इस वीक फाइनेंसेस आपके अच्छे रहने वाले हैं. कहीं कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट आपने किया था तो उसका आउटकम इस सप्ताह आपको मिल सकता है. किसी व्यक्ति या संस्था से अगर आपने कोई फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट मांगा था तो उसके भी मिलने के चांसेस हैं. साथ ही अपने फाइनेंसेस को एनहेंस कैसे करें, ये गाइडेंस भी किसी अनुभवी व्यक्ति द्वारा आपको मिल सकती है. दिस इज द राइट टाइम टू टैप इनटू द इनफाइनाइट पॉसिबिलिटीज टू इंक्रीज योर फाइनेंसेस विद राइट चॉइस, राइट इंटेंशन, ऑप्टिमिस्टिक प्रैक्टिकल गोल्स. आपको बस ये ध्यान रखना है कि अपने फाइनेंसेस को मैनेज कैसे करें. साथ ही अपनी आय का कुछ हिस्सा चैरिटी में जरूर लगाएं, which will return to you by multiple resources by divine universe. तो आपकी आय सुव्यवस्थित तरीके से बढ़ती रहे, इसी कामना के साथ विदा लेती हूँ। मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस के साथ। Till then, stay tuned and stay blessed. Bye.
That is all for this week, and I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you, and see you all next week once again.